How to use Google Scholar for referencing. Use Google Scholar for referencing can streamline the process of creating citations for your academic works. And here's how you can I will give you the step-by-step guide here. Just go to the Google Scholar here, enter the title or keyword related to source you are looking for in the search bar. So I will just write here cosmic physics, right? And here you can see it will just give me all these links to get it. And here on the right side it will show me the if there's any PDF or document, it will show me what kind of file it is. Right now, once you find the desired source, let's say this is I will just go to this PDF archives here. Right, look for this quotation mark icon located below the article title. So this is the article PDF here, right? And usually you can just write here control plus find, and in this way you can press this, so it's not available. So this is article PDF. I will just open it up here. Right now I'll just try to find it from here. Still I'm not able to find it. Okay, that's fine. Now if you're able to find it, click on this quotation mark icon. A pop-up window will appear displaying citations various format including APA, MLA, Chicago, Harvard, Vancouver, right? The sources, right? So in this way you can just, for example, export citation and abstracts here. So I can just go and click on it, and it will open it up, and this is how it's look, right? Now paste this copied citizen into your reference list in your document. Ensure this is formatted correctly according to your institution's guideline. It is crucial to double check the citations for any formatting errors or missing information, as Google Scholar generates citations can occasionally contains inaccuracies. Right, so while Google Scholars can generate citizens quickly, it is essential to understand how to reference manually. This knowledge help you to identify and correct any potential error in automatically generated citizens. So this is how you can do so. Thanks for watching this video.